everyone, welcome back to MelBeezee Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new. Today we have Jollibee. So yesterday when I came home from Vegas, I flew home and I went straight to Jollibee because it's actually pretty close to the airport, which is far from our house. So I picked up Jollibee. So today we're having leftovers. This is like the big thing of gravy. We have spaghetti and chicken. We got half spicy and half regular. So I do have one spicy chicken and one regular chicken. And then to drink, I have Coke Zero Sugar. Let me know if you guys have tried Coke Zero Sugar and do you like it? And can you tell the difference between the regular Coke Zero and the Coke Zero Sugar? I don't know what it is. I can't tell the difference, but I still like the regular Coke Zero better. And now I feel like it's so hard to find regular Coke Zero. Okay, so let's eat, you guys. Get some spaghetti. So good. I love their spaghetti. My favorite. AJ's here next to me, so if you hear some crunching, it's AJ.
I just want to show how crunchy the chicken is.
And we reheated the chicken in the air fryer. Does anyone else save the skin for last? I won't save like all of it, but I like to pick off a lot of it and then save it for last. Okay, gravy. So good. Jollibee has the best fried chicken, in my opinion. So good. So I just got back from Vegas. Wow, I couldn't say that. I just got back from Vegas. And oh my gosh, the airports, you guys, so crowded. I flew out of Ontario in SoCal. And it's normally like so empty there. And when I flew out, it was so crowded. There was like a huge line at TSA. And then my flight was delayed like almost 2 hours. It was actually only really supposed to be delayed 40 minutes, but we had to wait for our co-pilot who was getting off of another flight. And he took longer than expected. Our flight was also overbooked, and they were asking people if they wanted to take the next flight. I don't know if you guys heard last week. I think Friday was the day Southwest had to cancel like 1,800 flights. Tons of delays, tons of cancellations. And then even coming home, the Vegas airport, even in the morning, my flight was at 8 o'clock. It was so crowded. Long lines to check baggage, long lines at TSA. So, if you have travel plans anytime coming up soon, I definitely recommend to give yourself some extra time. Because I feel like so many people are traveling right now. So yeah, anyways, when I got to Vegas, we went straight to Bacchanal at the buffet at Caesar's Palace. We had reservations, and that was my first time eating there, and it was so good. I ate a ton of seafood, crab legs and shrimp. everything that I ate was pretty good. And then after, when we were done, like when we left, we realized we forgot to try the prime rib. So we were kind of sad about that. But it's okay. We were too full anyways. We ate a lot. So yeah, if you're planning on going there, make a reservation. Because last time we didn't know you needed a reservation and we were going to eat there, but the wait was going to be so long. There was like 120 people in front of us on the wait list. Okay, this one is a spicy one. And for the longest time, Jollibee didn't have any spicy chicken. I don't know what's up with that. Because the seasoning, like the spicy stuff, I'm pretty sure it's just the batter. It's not on the inside, so I don't know. Oh my gosh, I heard that Adele and Garth Brooks are both getting residencies in Vegas next year. And they're both going to be at Caesar's Palace. So I think Usher's residency is probably going to be ending. And we're actually going to his concert on December 29th at Caesar's Palace. And Adele has a new album coming out. I'm super excited. I'm a huge Adele fan. So I'm excited. And you know it's going to be really good because she just got a divorce. So all of those breakup songs are going to be fire. The spicy chicken's actually really spicy. I don't remember it being this spicy. Is it a new recipe? I have no idea. Okay, all I have left now is chicken skin. So good with the gravy. All right, guys, that was so good. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.